The art of the kiss. This is the moment every girl knows whether she'll sleep with you or not. Given that sexy senorita, one hot, passionate kiss will leave her begging for more. On the contrary, give her a bad kiss and you're straight out of luck. So it's crucial that you right there, master the art of the smooch. And in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 easy steps to master any kiss. All right, guys, to help me break down the 5 rules of kissing, I've got my lovely, pretty, sexy girlfriend, Nicole, to help me out with this one. Rule number 1 is dominance. Whenever you're gonna kiss a girl, you have to be dominant, guys. Don't be afraid to put your hands on her and pull her into you for the kiss. Girls are totally unattracted by a guy that's timid and unsure of himself. So when you're there, about to kiss her, pull her into you and kiss her. Don't let her pull you into her. That's not a good look, guys. That doesn't work. So when you're there, be dominant. You want her, show her that you want her. Pull her into you and lay down those pretty little lips. Rule number 2, this is so important because if you mess this rule up, guys, the whole kiss is done, you've lost it, you're not getting laid, you're not moving to second base, whatever. So this is what you gotta do. This is the rule, it's right here. If you wanna kiss her right, turn your head right. This is what I mean. When you're going in for that kiss, you don't go left, you don't go straight and hit noses, you turn right. Always turn right, it's so crucial. Rule number 3 is dance with her lips. Here's a little secret nobody ever tells you. There's no such thing as the perfect kiss. Kissing is all about adapting to the girl. Here's the thing, some girls, when they kiss, they open their mouth really wide. Some open it really narrow. Some dart their tongue out really fast. Some don't use tongue. Some go crazy, some don't. So you gotta feel what she's doing within the first 1 second and match her. So look, if she starts opening her mouth pretty wide, you have to do that. You have to adapt to her way of kissing. If not, you're gonna screw the whole thing up. If she starts darting her tongue out, not like that. You lost no matter what. If she does that, you lost no matter what. But here's the whole basis of it, guys. Whatever she does, you gotta follow along and match her. There's no such thing as one perfect kiss. The perfect kiss is basically being in harmony with the girl that you're kissing. Rule number 4, and this goes back to dominance, guys. Put your hands on her face when you're kissing her. You want her. Show her that she's yours in that moment. So when you're kissing her, how awkward is it to have your hands straight down? It's pretty awkward. You wanna have your hands right, just like this. Very gentle. This is what I'm doing, guys. Around her neck and one hand in front of her ear. And same thing with the other hand. And I'm very gently pulling her towards me. That's gonna leave her wanting more. All right, guys, lastly is rule number 5. And this is one of the biggest secrets that you guys should not tell anybody. After you kiss a girl, there's one thing you should do that's gonna turn every girl on. She's gonna be begging to take you home with her. And that's after the kiss, leave her with a gentle peck. She's gonna think about this kiss over and over in her mind and go, "Ah, this guy is so sweet." So check this out. After you kiss her, so after you have your long kiss, look at her in the eyes, kiss her, and that's it. Leave her like that. You can also, if you want, if the mood's right, kiss her on the forehead. But leave her at the end of your kiss with a gentle peck on the lips. She's gonna love it and she'll think of you every single time. All right, guys, that's all you guys need to know to become master kissers. Go out there, go practice. But babe, do you have anything you wanna add?
I think if there's any advice I can give you guys is to be nothing turns a girl off more is than when you're kissing a guy and they're staring straight at you. So don't do that.
Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed at all times, no matter how tempting it is. To get your eyes open.
Keep your eyes closed.
Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Keep them closed.
Keep them closed.
I love you guys so much. If you like this new type of video where I teach you guys something, let me know in the comments below. Give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next video.